This is a contrail fanning out and persisting. You can see how it's wider on the right side of the trail as the wind blows it. The wind blows it over to the left, which is bluer. It's bluer on the other side. And this is wider because it creates this curtain behind it. This is why contrails, whether they're chemtrails or contrails, whatever you want to believe, I really could care less. It is an environmental, meteorological pollution problem. And it's been an urgency. And it causes illness. And just like you say, I can't prove what's up there, you can't prove what's up there either. That's the problem. That's the problem. Nobody's proving anything. And they know about the non-CO2 effect, don't they? But they don't want to call it water vapor and aerosols because they don't want you to realize that's a bigger driver of climate than anything. Of course, the sun is the biggest driver, but they're not affecting that, are they? No. Not with these curtains. All contrails are deliberate because they could control them and suppress them. But they don't. And we have reason to believe there's more than just accidental spraying, accidental laying of trails innocently done. Not everybody's in on this, but there's a lot of military flights, unmarked flights that participate in strange contrail behavior. And we've tested the fallout. And you know, that's not proof because can't prove what chemical came out of what plane. And that's why I like to target and triangulate on Doppler radar. Focus on them during the storms because they're the ones driving it. Unless there's some other electromagnetic component at play, like an off-sea radar. But that's your contrail curtain being swept across the sky from this contrail leftover jet Cirrus we're seeing. That's the technical terminology, and we should hold them accountable to it. Greater scrutiny on that will give greater scrutiny on the other covert, less, well, hiding in plain sight agendas that might be riding on the pollution problem. All right, we know they are, but we can only get them where we can get them, and we need to change the narrative to include contrail Cirrus and aerosols and electromagnetic frequencies such as Doppler creates every day. Contrails matter, whether they're chemtrails or just water vapor, quote unquote. See, line after line after line have been laid down, and you could see the striation and the fanning out, right, in the jet Cirrus from these contrails. Were they conning? I don't know. But this is all jet Cirrus. Okay. Okay, notice how small it is. We had flooded rain. Flooded rain. My girlfriend's car was underwater. Very, very small blue. See how small the blue is? When it rains, there's very little blue because they're allowing the rain to land. They're not interfering with it. All right, there you have it.